Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday, when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday.
We're going to make fall decoration utilizing Dollar Tree or dollar store material. Majority of the items I'm going to be using are from Dollar Tree. Some items are from Target Dollar Spot. To be honest, some of them are from my stash. I'm going to be using this flameless LED peeler candle from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using 2 of these wire baskets from the Dollar Tree, and this one is the one that is shaped more like an oblong rather than the round. You know, I've used white ones from the Dollar Tree that is round in shape, and this is the first time I'm using oblong. And I'm going to be making again a lantern, kind of like what I did the last time. But this time, will be more in the fall theme. I have these florals as well that I'm probably going to be using to decorate this lantern that I'm making. A glue gun, and I have mine here. And for removing the handle on the wire baskets, I'm going to be using this one. So what I'm going to be doing here is I am going to be removing the handle from both baskets. So set those aside because you're going to use the handle, at least one of them you're going to use. So what you're going to do next is that you're going to probably be cutting only a portion here, cut around it, because I want to be able to easily turn on and off the switch of this LED candle. Okay, and also I want to fit it snug so it doesn't move. What I'm going to do here is to the shape of this round thing, you're just going to cut through with your wire cutter. Doesn't have to be perfect, as long as the opening is going to be just the right size for this. And you can bend the other one if you need a little bit more space, rather than having it too loose and then you're going to worry about it falling off. So let me just give this a shot. Okay. Careful, if you want to wear gloves, fine. I don't need to. I'm just being careful. So I need to kind of bend a little bit here, because you know it is, you can work it where you can bend. Then it's gonna fit a little bit snugly. Here, when I put back the wires, the ends here are the ones holding it. So you don't really need to glue it, but for extra reinforcement, you can actually use your glue gun to hold it in. So that's it. So you see that it's already settled there. That is the hardest part really of this DIY, if you ask me. Now, you can connect this to here. What you can do is try to match these two to each other. But I am going to bend this a little bit more so that it can sit there. Okay. Now if you have a stronger plier, if you want to totally remove it, that's fine. You can do that as well. Being aligned. See? So now it may sit aligned. The other one. See that? Now you can put flowers here, or your vines, whatever you want to put. So now if you want you want to put 2 more here, if you want to do that, let's go ahead and do so. I don't need to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be putting the handle here. So on this opposite side, you can just insert it. So I'm just gonna be opening this a little bit. See here? And then putting it here, inserting it here, okay, so that it will not dislodge. See that? So you have more space, then bend it a little bit here. Okay, now, so as you can see, there's my handle, and this is the top, and I'm gonna be gluing this on top. Okay, using my hot glue. I want to put some more flowers, so whatever I have left, I'm going to use. Let's see here. So you can see it here. I'm just putting the glue there, so that wherever there's a space, the design inside also is duplicated here on the outside, right? Yeah, so this will be the front, I think. So it's that, yeah. So I'm just kind of filling up the spaces. DIY fall lantern, everyone. I must say it's really, it turned out spectacular, if you don't mind me saying. I really enjoyed this specific DIY. Fall is my favorite season of all. You'd hear me say that a lot of times. And I think I really like this because using the oblong shape gives it more volume. It's bigger. You can hang this if you have those shepherd hooks. If you want to decorate your garden for fall, if you have an affair, then you can hang it on a shepherd hook. Or if you have one of those planter hooks that you can screw on the wall, you can hang this on your wall as well. If you don't want it on the table as a centerpiece. I really do enjoy this DIY, and I hope you have as well. And I hope that you will make one as well. Talk to you later. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!